Hi, my name is Nera Stipičević. I am a Croatian actress. I live in Zagreb and I adore my work. Well, you know, being able to make someone smiling or laughing or at least thinking about something for me is blessing. Being European means accepting differences, and we are like mixture of 4 different cultures, and I don't know what could be more European than that. We bring to EU our traditional music, healthy food, and great wines. In one word, joie de vivre. I don't know if you go to the airport, you see the line for people from EU and from people that are not from EU, and at least that will be better. I see my future inside of EU as a very positive for me and for those who are hard workers and who are talented and progressive. I think this entrance could be only a good thing.